Hey everybody, loading up and getting ready to go down to the farm. It's been, man, since I've done any work down there, it's been almost two and a half months because of work, and everything has grown up and it's probably not in good shape. And I know that I have storm damage. I've got probably a couple of big oak trees at least that are down, and so I've loaded everything up that I can get. Chainsaws, I gotta go get gas, all that stuff. So we'll see what it's like when we get down there. Gonna stop and get some fuel for the generator at the cabin and something to charge the batteries with. Kind of a tight turn right there. This is the only place in town that sells the non-ethanol good gas. Okay, we got the gas, headed down to the farm now. It's been a couple of weeks since we went down to check the cabin after that last storm. I just went up the hill and checked the cabin. Nothing was damaged, but I didn't go down to the lower. There's another little cabin down that my dad had built, and I didn't go down that road. And apparently that's where the damage is at. So I'll go down and check that out, put some eyes on it. And man, I'm really embarrassed for anybody to see the grass, how tall it's grown. But from pretty much from June 1st until the middle towards the end of August, man, my work is just, it's crazy. And that's where I've been. I hadn't had the chance, to come down. And of course, it's only me to take care of everything. But it'll be all right. It won't take long. Usually have bush hogging and stuff done by now. Well, I try to get one done before in the spring, but I didn't get a chance to do that this time. So we'll see what it's like. Hey, nice Jeep. We'll see what it is when we get down there. It's still mobile, but man, it's way higher than I ever aimed to let it get. But we're gonna drive down here and put some eyes on the trees down. Pretty purple flowers. Look nice. I don't know exactly what they are. Maybe some of y'all know. They're real pretty though. This whole field where those flowers are at. When I was a kid, we used to raise tobacco in that. I spent some hot days down here. I don't miss the tobacco or the work in the tobacco, but I do miss my granddaddy, my daddy, my Uncle Wayne. Missed all them old guys that Used to work in it. Oh yeah, looky here, looky here. Wait, y'all. Well, I don't know if that's gonna be anything much more than a mess. Let me get up here and see let's see what it's all about. That thing looked like it was dead to start with. Ooh, okay. I think that tree right there is collateral damage from that thing up there. Holy mackerel. Let's walk around here and see if we can get an eye on. Get my shoes wet. This grass is still wet down here. I don't know if I can get up in here or not. Sawbriars, I got my short breeches on today because I didn't think I was going to do nothing but mow. Get up in here without killing myself. I'll step on a big copperhead. He'd soon let go of me if he ever got a hold of me. Well, our 1, 2, 3. Three blue logs that are down. Well, I know one thing for sure. Up in here is bigger than my little steel chainsaw can handle. My gracious, y'all. Well, I shouldn't have to worry about firewood for the rest of my life. That's going to be a job. That is going to be a job. But what's the old saying? How do you eat an elephant or whale? Which one is it, elephant or whale? Either one bite at a time. And it looks like what we're gonna have to do here. Okay. All right, well, there's a challenge I didn't foresee, but it will be all right. Get out of here without killing myself again. We don't have exactly the most level terrain. That little field as we come in with the flowers, that's about the levelest spot we got on my 10 acres anyway. Let's walk around here and see what this other one's like. Ooh, that got close to Pop's outhouse right there. Maybe we can get a better look at the back side of those other two logs if we go up here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, they had leaves on them, but they kind of look like they were dead too, don't they? Ooh, glory, hallelujah, how on earth? Well, let's get out of here before that thing decides to snap. Take us all out.